Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben, and I'm live, If you are watching the replay, thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, thanks for watching. I'm a full-time trader. I day trade Monday through Friday. I day trade the stock market now, and also swing trade the crypto. So if this is something that you want to learn more about, because what I do, I just focus on the charts. If there's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you are watching the replay, you can hit settings. Let me see, go to speed 1.5 and 2, and basically speed up time. So thanks a lot for coming through. And of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only, okay? No financial advice. This is entertainment only, okay? So let's get this party started. Guys. Let's see if I can get a couple of people come in. So let's get this party started. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay, so let's see if I see anybody in the chat room. Okay, so what's going on, Dom? What's going on, businessman? What's going on, Alex? What's going on, Corey? You said, Corey, you thought I went hiding. Corey, did you listen to my last video or my last live stream? I had family in town, so basically, no, I was hiding. And Corey, first of all, I have no reason to hide because if you have my course, Corey, you know that I deal with both markets, okay? I deal with both markets, so I have no problem speaking about the bull market or the bear market, okay? So I don't hide. Okay, so Vajo said, yes, they are back, okay? So, you know, if you feel like that, that's cool, Vajo. Ben said same story. So Ben, just like I told Corey, okay? Hiding for me wouldn't make sense. Why would I hide? Let me know. Answer, Pet. I think that's the best question to ask. Why would I hide? Okay. What happened? Okay, to the market or to anything for me to hide? Let me know. Just type it in the box because I want to know. Okay. People is funny. You know, they see the market go up, and automatically people think that, you know, they know everything. What's going on, Mr. Hall? What's going on, Kevin? What's going on, Travis? Shazad, what's going on? I don't know where Julio Morris is at, man. I don't know. Okay, so Julio said, you said sorry, but it's the truth. So, Julio, I don't know what you're talking. It's the truth, Julio. First of all, Julio, no one in this chat room gives advice. So I don't know what you're talking about, Julio. No one in this chat room, including me, give any financial advice. Okay, so whatever you said goes out the window just because of that. Just because of that, no one in this chat room, including me, gives financial advice. So relax, okay? Yeah. So if somebody's trolling, definitely, guys. If somebody's trolling, definitely, you know what to do. Because number one, I don't give no financial advice. All right. So if someone lose money, you can't blame nobody but yourself. Okay. No one gives you financial advice here. And number two, no one should be losing money because there's no setup. Okay, tell me where's a setup here. Please let me know. Julio, tell me, Julio, go on the chart. Okay, Julio, go on the chart and point out a setup on BTC right now. Okay. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming through. Thanks for coming through. Vajo said we're good. Last talk didn't go well. Yeah, I'm cool, Vajo. I lost, as long as no one trolls, I'm cool. Okay, so let's go to CoinMarketCap, and let's go to basically the market cap is above 300. Okay, so we at 302. Okay, so that's a good sign. Okay, that's a good sign. We at 303 now. Okay, so let's look at the Bitcoin volume is at 7 billion, which is good, another good sign. But overall, it still worries me that why would the volume increase on a up move versus the down move? But right now the market is going up. So let's look at so the volume is right now, well, yesterday was 5 billion. Today, I think it was like 7, which is, kind of suspect, but whatever. So overall, guys, let's go to the chart. So Bitcoin, basically, we broke this trend line, which is okay. All right. So right now, a couple of things can happen. We keep on going up. Okay. We might, either hit resistance at the 85, 86 level, or we can go into this level right here. Okay. Anywhere around here. So it could be around maybe 89, 9,000. Okay. And we'll see what's going on from there. So, in these altcoins, this is another situation with these altcoins. It's kind of suspect. Okay. It's kind of suspect. If you look at XRP, it's not following Bitcoin. XRP is not following Bitcoin. A little slow, a little sluggish. Ethereum is actually, I think, it's actually doing pretty good. What else? Julio. Julio, you still didn't answer my question, Julio. Okay, Julio, you still didn't answer my question. Show me one setup on BTC, Julio. Okay, if you're going to continue to troll the stream, Julio, you're going to have to go. Okay, because I'm asking you a simple question. Let me know, what setup did you see on BTC that was legit on BTC? Let me know. Okay? Because you sound like you don't have, you sound like you never got the course. Because if you got my course, there's no setup on BTC. Okay? You sound like one of the guys that just read titles, and automatically by reading titles, you think that's what the whole video is about. Okay, you sound like that guy. If you really bought my course and really looked at my setups, there's no setup on BTC will allow you to lose money right now. Okay, we can go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, if you have my video right now, I tell people that you have to wait until price goes below. Okay, where do you see price below the moving average? Where do you see price below? That's why I know he's trolling. That's how I know he's trolling, because he don't even have the course. He don't even have the course, and he's trolling. Okay, he just probably read the title of one of my videos and automatically he went short. Why would you go short just by reading the title, bro? You know what I'm saying? Like, I tell people, if you go listen to, if you have my course, listen to my course. This is why I tell you, right? If you get this course, this is why I tell you, listen to it more than once. Okay, I tell you guys to only focus on setups when, if you are a beginner, right? If you are a beginner, only focus on setups that's below the moving average. Okay. But Julio, you don't even have my course, because if you had my course, Julio, you wouldn't take a setup. So that's why I know you're trolling, Julio. Julio, if you write anything stupid one more time on my stream, you're going to have to get out of here. Because you know you don't even have the course, because if you had the course, there's no setup on the 4 hour right now on BTC. BTC is not even below the moving average. So how is a setup? Okay, so anyway, guys, let me know. Take Julio out, guys. Ban Julio. You can go to don't even delete his thing. Go to kick him out the whole chat room. Okay, kick him out the whole chat room. He's done. He's out of here. Okay. I kicked him out. I just kicked him out. Because Julio doesn't even have the course. There's no way he have the course, because he will never take a short if he follow directions. Okay, if you are a beginner in this, you should not be taking no shorts right now. Wait until BTC goes below the moving average. Okay, I do have a advanced advanced video where we talk about the swings. Right, but if you tell me, if you listen to the video, I said, listen, this is advanced techniques. Okay, if you are starting off, do not take anything from those techniques. But anyway, let's go back to the questions. Let me see if I see any questions. Ben said you will make money either way. Why would you hide? Exactly. I wouldn't hide. Anyway, yeah, no problem, Corey. Shout out to Corey, no problem. So anyway, guys, let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to the chart and I'll get to your guys' questions, okay? So overall, is the bulls back? That's the question of the day. Is the bulls back? Okay. If you ask me, is the bulls back? No. Okay. No, the bulls is not back. I know people want me to say the bulls is back. The market is saved. This is it, guys. We right now BTC is at 7 billion. I know you want me to say everything is fine, the bulls is back. I can't say that. Okay? I told you, in order for me to turn bullish, I have to see BTC go to 10,000, not only go to 10,000, hold 10,000, and continue to go up. Make higher highs. Okay? If you notice, just go back in the past, guys. You have to understand. It's a reason why I'm able to do this full time. And I'm not saying that to brag or anything, but it's a reason why I'm able to do this full time, because I don't get hyped or tricked by the big players, because now I'm able to think like these guys. Okay, let's go back in the past. Back in the past, in February, we went up. We passed 10,000 a little bit. We didn't even make a higher high, guys. Okay, we went up. We went back down. We went up. We tried to go back up. We didn't even pass this high. Okay, we went right back down. Okay, we did it once again. We went up, tried to go to 10,000, and guess what, guys? We went right back down. So for me, as a professional, I need confirmation, because I know how these guys play. I know how they operate. They are the best of the best when it comes to manipulation. Okay. When it comes to tricking you to make you believe one thing, they are the best in the world. Okay, this is why you see multiple videos on YouTube saying, oh, the bulls is back, this is the bottom, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this is why you have trolls on my video right now. Okay, and this is how people get burned. So for me as a professional, I would never jump in just because I see stupid things on the news. I see YouTubers post. I see, you know, people getting happy. As a professional, I need confirmation. Okay, in the past, it told me, this is why, guys, this is why I tell you all the time. I focus on the chart because the charts will never lie to me. Forget about the news. I don't care about no ETFs. I don't care about no regulations. I don't care about nothing. The charts never lie to me. In the past, every time we try to go to 10,000, we flop. Okay? So for me to turn bullish, I need Bitcoin to go to 10,000, hold that level, and continue to make higher highs. Okay? That's the game. So until then, we are going to continue to be bearish. It's just what it is. Okay? I don't get hyped just because bars look big, just because you know, things are popping out the triangle. I don't get hyped because I see these stories over and over and over again. Okay? And then when people get too hyped, next thing you know, boom, the market flops and it goes down. And it's funny how when the market goes down, these trolls don't come. They don't even come. You don't even see these trolls, right? You don't even see these trolls at all. But anyway, let's see if I see any questions. So I got that out of the way. Let me take a sip. Let me take a sip of my Pepsi before I get to some questions. Shout out to everybody that's here on my stream. If you are new to my channel, thanks a lot for stopping by. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see. I get back. See to get to your question. Hayes said we're going to 10 G's. Very possible. Okay, Hayes. Okay. So when you say we're going to 10 G's, okay, do you have inside information? Okay. Do you have inside information saying that we're going to 10 G's? Because if you don't, then you can't say we're going to 10 G's. It's just belief. Okay. So let's go to another question. You said thoughts on Martin. Shout out to Martin. Thoughts on recent volume dominance. Yeah, that's a fishy. This is kind of fishy, guys. Okay, this is kind of fishy. Okay, so Bitcoin is going up. The dominance is going up. Right now it's at 47.4. Okay, this is another thing that's kind of fishy. Okay, if this was a really truly bull market, why is a lot of these altcoins struggling? I don't know, because it's telling me that, is this really a bull market? You know, I mean, Bitcoin is going up like crazy, but these other altcoins are just still stuck doing nothing. So that's concerning. That's definitely concerning. On the dominance, what does that mean? I don't necessarily know. XRP struggling too. Okay. Ethereum actually is popping up, but it's still not even close to what Bitcoin was doing or is doing. So overall, guys, Bitcoin right now is just it honestly what it looks like. And, you know, I'm just going to keep it real. It just looks like a pump. That's the only thing I can think of right now. Because why is Bitcoin blasting through all these resistance and the altcoins are staying still like nobody even want these bad boys? And we know that's not even true. We know that a lot of cryptocurrency people love altcoins, right? They love altcoins. So it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. But at the same time, it looks kind of pumpish. Okay, it looks like Bitcoin is pumping, and maybe eventually Bitcoin will catch up to the altcoins, because it just doesn't right now. Things just don't seem right. Okay. Let's see if I see any questions. More questions. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me see if I. Hayes said the altcoins will follow soon, especially too. We'll see. We'll see, Hayes. We'll see. Shout out to Keith. Yeah, Keith, don't worry about that guy. He's a troll. Okay, he wants people to hold his hand. Okay, and number one, he doesn't even make no sense overall. Let me see if I see. Dom said at Ben, remember that people are selling their altcoins for Bitcoin. I don't know. Why would they? Why would they? I mean, why would they? That's a good question. You know, I'm asking you, Dom, why would people sell altcoins to go to Bitcoin? Let me see. Hayes. Hayes, if you say one thing, if you say one thing stupid on the chat room, you're gonna get banned, Hayes. Okay? Because Hayes, first of all, Hayes, do you even have a channel? Okay. Number two, are you giving out good information on your channel that's actually helping people? And number three, are you actually putting money in people's pocket? Okay, because the trolls are basically out here. So let me read these questions. I'm reading these questions. Dom said, Pepsi. Nah, I'm drinking. I drink water too. Today's my off day, man. Today's my off day, so I'm drinking Pepsi. What's going on, Leslie Slavage? Let me see. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. It's just that you know, we have trolls. It's funny, right? The trolls don't come when the market is down. They only come when the market is up. Okay. And we'll talk about that later. What's going on, Joshua? Finally caught up with me live. That's what's up, man. Appreciate it. Hayes said the charts don't lie. Yes, the charts don't lie. Leslie Savage said, "I trust your word, Ben. I know you." Leslie, don't worry about it. You know, I know that you trust my word. because overall, these trolls that really don't understand what's going on, they basically, you could tell that they are losers, okay? Because if they really knew how I look at the market, I don't pick no sides, okay? If they really know how I basically look at the markets, I don't pick no sides at all. I'm not a bear and I'm not a bull. So that's why I know that they are losers, because they come on my channel, right? When the market goes up and they say, ha, 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 the market's going up, not realizing, guys, I don't care which way the market goes. Just, this thing could skyrocket to 50K. It doesn't matter to me. I can make money both ways. It's you that can't make money if the market goes down. It's you. It's not me. I'm cool. I'm good with this. Right? If you go look at my course, it shows you that I tell you that I can make money in both ways. It's people that are very close-minded, think that I'm a bear, and automatically when the market goes up, they either think that I'm losing, they thinking everybody's losing, and automatically they want to come here and talk trash. They don't even understand that we are on the same team. I can make money when whatever the market is doing, I can make money. So let me see if I see any more questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, please let me know. You said, yes, you looked at the charts earlier and there's a lot of resistance at 10K. Exactly. Embrace to say, if you get, I get you're not bullish until 10K, but from here until 10K, will you be in the market at all? Do you want to see it drop before you get back in? Yeah. Okay, 10K, embracing. I don't know if you have my course. Okay? But right now, guys, if you don't have my course, BTC, I'm not in. There's no way I'm in BTC right now. That's why I know Julio is a troll, because there's no setup right now. Bitcoin didn't even drop. When do you see any sell-off on Bitcoin? Okay, let's see some sell first. Martin said, bought your course. Thanks so much for your contribution. No problem, Martin. Thanks for your support, Martin. Shout out to Martin for buying this course. Thanks a lot. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Let me see. Ben, you said Bitcoin outperforming arts is nothing new. It always lag. Like I said, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know, what the altcoins is doing right now. But we'll see if they are lagging or not. Shout out to Paul. Shout out to Paul, guys. All right. Paul says, "Sup, Ben? What's up? What's up?" And he said, "Sup, Ben and fam? Are we making money over Ben course?" He said yesterday he went in 7,720 and out at 83.20. Okay. Thank you, Big Ben course. Okay. Everybody on this stream must buy. Okay. So this is a person that bought my course, okay? And I guys, this is why it's very important to understand what I'm saying. I'm not a bull. I'm not a bear. Okay, I'm a professional. I do this full time. Okay, I do this full time. So when I tell you guys, I don't care if the market goes to 50K or 2K, I can still make this money. So shout out to Paul. Paul basically made money for my course because he said that he bought it and he got out at 83. Okay, so this is what I'm telling you. That's why Julio is a joke, because he don't understand. He never bought the course. So shout out to everybody that's on my stream. And I'm going to copy and paste that testimonial, because I have a lot of testimonials that I don't even post no more because it gets overwhelming. Okay. But let me actually, if you don't have this course yet during the live stream, I definitely give people, we call that 50%. So I'm taking a more conservative approach, because long term, I understand that this thing is bearish, but my students are willing to play the upside to this, and they making money. So let me copy and paste this for the people that just don't understand what's really going on. If you want to learn how to become a professional, not sit on the sidelines for 7 months, 8 months straight, not making money, because that's what most people do. They just don't make money because they think the only strategy is to buy and hold. Okay, people don't understand you can actually make money from these swings. So if you don't have this course, definitely check it out. I just copy and paste the link into the description and check it out, because when I get off of this live stream, basically it's going right back up to 210. So shout out to Paul, guys, for making this money. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him once again. He's one of my students that's making money. So for all you guys that think we are losing money, it's just ridiculous. So shout out to Paul, guys. Congratulations. So let me see if I see any. Let me see if I see any more questions. TG said, big up to Ben. I'm up $120 for the day. You know, and people see, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Shout out to TJ, guys. Shout out to TJ. He's up $120. Okay. And people really think that we are losing money, but it doesn't go like that. Okay. Only the people that just really don't understand what's going on. So shout out to TJ making his money. He's one of my students, so shout out to him. Let me see. Preston said, where do you think we should set up our stop loss? I don't understand that question. Stop loss on what? On what trade? Paul said ETF news FOMO at its best. Yes, that's what I'm thinking right now. I think this is FOMO at its best and pumping at its best. Okay, I think this is pumping and FOMO at its best. And you know, for you guys that's new to my channel, new to everything, I think most of you guys just don't listen, or not even listen, but you just don't understand how bear markets work. We always get these pumps. Okay. This is, you know, it's funny how people don't learn a lesson. Okay. I think, who said that? Man, I think it was Albert Einstein said, you know, if you keep on making the same mistake, that's the definition of being stupid or something like that. Right. You know, we had these big run-ups where the market looks like it's about to just go to the moon. And then we just flop right back down, right? We have another big run-up where the market looks like it's going to go to the moon. It flops right back down, okay? So we have another big run-up. Everybody's screaming 50K, 30K, Lambo. We about to make millions. Can we at least wait, guys? That's all I'm saying. Can we at least wait until until we get to a certain level before we scream Lambo, millionaires, we going to the moon? Can we at least wait? Because if you don't learn from your lesson, it's basically you just keep on doing the same thing over and over and over again. This is why some people just can't become professionals. And what I mean by when I say professional, I'm basically meaning doing this full time. Okay, I'm talking about not relying on a 9-to-5, actually taking money out of the market and paying bills and paying for a lifestyle that they want. They can't. Most people can't do this full time because they emotions get so much. The emotions take over their body so much that they get clouded. Okay, and they're not really looking at how the market really is. Okay, we in the past this happened over and over and over again, and just don't get too happy yet. Okay, wait until things get to a certain level, and then maybe you can get happy. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say to people. But most people would never get to that level anyway. So I know I won't get to everybody, but at the same time, I'm just trying to calm down people, and say, guys, listen, I understand that the market is at what, 8,400 now. I understand that. That's nice. Okay. But in the past, this market let you down so many times. Why? This time is different. Okay. So shout out to everybody that's making money in this live stream, because it's amazing. Shout out to you guys. And yes, if you are here, smash these likes. Shout out to Leslie Savage. Shout out to everybody that's here. I can't really get to everybody. There's a lot of people on this chat. But shout out to everybody that's here. So, let me see. Tammy, you just got on. Shout out to Tammy. Shout out to Corey. Shout out to Corey. Thanks a lot, Corey. I appreciate that. Leonard said, do you think Bitcoin will pull back to 78? Bitcoin needs to, first of all, we need sellers to come back in. So, like I said, right now, 80, probably 85, 86 would be a level where you might see pullbacks, but we don't know. We have to wait. Okay. I'm not interested in when Bitcoin is going to pull back. I'm just waiting for that day. That's it. Because when it pulls back, I want to see what area it pulls back, and I want to see how it pulls back. Okay. Let me see. But all I'm saying, guys, if there's a lot of money to be made, right? If a lot of sellers come in this market, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. There's a lot of market money to be made, because the way this thing is being pumped right now, and how CNBC is on board right now, this reminds me of another pump and dump. Okay, so just be careful. Let's see if I see any questions here. Dom said, Ben, don't worry about the trolls. Yeah, I know. Sometimes you have to address the trolls because they don't know, what they're talking about. So sometimes you do have to address them, because at the same time, you can actually make them feel stupid. Let me see. Leslie Savage said, when we going to do a live stock market? I like what you posted earlier. Yeah, shout out to Leslie Savage. Maybe soon. I don't know. I'll let you know. Maybe soon. Sean said 9,000 by the end of this week. Shoot, Sean, that's what's up. Sammy, you said I bought as well. You bought what, Sammy? Hello said Ben, is your course compatible with BitMax? Yes, it's compatible with BitMax. You know, basically when you go through it, the course, I'm going to show you all the setups that you need, right? All the setups step by step. It's very simple. A lot of people that bought my course, okay, they are new to the cryptocurrency world and they still making money. You can go read the crypto. You can actually read my testimonials. It's funny because this is not my full list of testimonials. I stopped posting testimonials because I keep on getting them, and so I'm you know, it's almost to the point where I'm not gonna say it doesn't make sense to keep on posting, but right now I'm just holding off right now. But you know, this is a female trader that made $400. You can just go the whole list, okay? People that's making money for my course, and I don't know any course right now on the market that compares, you know, to this course, because basically I don't know any course on the market that basically is putting money in people's pocket, just like, you know, like this course right here. So this course is pretty much the best course on the crypto market, period. I told you guys, just go look at my testimonials. My top student made $21,000 in a week, okay? This course would show you everything you need if you want to trade on BitMax. Yes. So if you want to get it, it would be best to get it on the live stream, because if you get it later on, you're gonna pay $210. Right now it's at a 50% discount. So it's up to you if you want to get it now or later. But you know, I just gave you the link. So shout out to hello. Thanks a lot for asking. Let's see. Actually, let me take a sip of my soda real quick. Hold on, guys. I know I should be drinking water, but hey, today's my off day. If you are in this room, smash the likes. Verge said, don't worry about the trolls. We all know you one of the real people that say how it is. That's what I like about you. Too many fake YouTubers out here. Thanks a lot, Verge. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Yeah. So it's funny because, you know, this is what I do, guys. This is what I do full time. Okay, I make money from the charts. It's just how I do. If you saw my last video that I post, before this live stream, showing you how I day trade the stock market. Okay, most people that troll on my video don't even know that I even do that. Okay, they don't even know that I'm a professional trader. I do this for a living. Okay, and they want to troll and talk nonsense, not knowing that we are on the same team. I'm not a bear. I'm not nothing. I'm a guy that's willing to extract money. When I basically follow the major trend. So wherever the major trend is, if it's down or if it's up, I'm in. It's just what it is. Okay, so right now we had this like nice little pop. We popped out this triangle. It looks good. And if I didn't know any better, if I was just a rookie, automatically, me personally, I would think this is bullish, guys. Guys, we are going to the moon. I'm buying up. I'm stacking up. You know, that if I was new to this, then yes, I would definitely say something like that. But I'm not new to this, so I understand how to play defense in the bear market. I understand how to play defense and not let these guys trick me. So let me see if I see some questions here. Okay, let me see some. Let's see some questions. And guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Jay Kraken said volume is up, bulls is back. Not necessarily Jay Kraken, because the volume is coming on the up move versus the down move. So right now, I would if if I really wanted to get in this move, I would like to see volume right here, not up here, because if you understand how these big players sell, they like to sell when the market goes up. Okay, so I don't like the volume that, I don't like seeing volume increase while the market is going up. But, like I said before, let's go to 10,000 and hold that level first before I call this bullish. Okay, so let me see. I think I got a super chat, so let me go there first. Keith says, shout out to Big Ben's course. Everyone making money. If you are new, pick it up and learn how to read the charts to profit. So shout out to Keith, guys. Keith just hit me with a $20 super chat. Shout out to him. And shout out to him, guys. And basically he's talking about this course right here. Okay. Keith is one of my students. First of all, if you don't have this course, he's talking about this right now is 50% off the live stream. Once I get off a live, it's going to be 210. Keith is actually one of my students that's making money consistently. Okay, guys. He emailed me the other day, and he pretty much he more than doubled his account. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you how much he made, but he basically 7 times or more his account. Okay, so he's one of my students that is very addicted to this stuff. He loves reading the charts. And I told him, Keith, I know you're going to be successful because, you have the same attitude that I had when I was first starting out. I was real addicted to this stuff, reading the charts all day and all night. And I see that in you too. So shout out to Keith for giving me that super chat. Thanks a lot, Keith. I appreciate it. All right. So let me see. Any questions? Glenn says, Sunday night I went long on Monero and made $815 thanks to Ben. Guys, this is Glenn, that's amazing, man. That is amazing. Let me shout out Glenn real quick. Let me hit that cha-ching button for Glenn. Glenn, that's amazing. That's what I like to see, guys. That's what I like to see, because I told you guys that my channel is way deeper than crypto. Okay, my channel is about inspiring you guys, motivating you guys to get out your 9 to 5, because I told you guys your 9 to 5 is a trap. It's just, to me, in my personal opinion, it's a waste of time. It took me a while, it took me at least eight years to basically figure out how everything works, and for me to get out my 9 to 5. But whatever it takes, you just got to keep going. Okay. And I told you guys this channel is deeper than crypto. Okay. I'm basically trying to show you, okay, guys, there's another way out here where you can actually make money, and people are just so stuck on this buy and hold situation, and it's very hard to quit your job just by focusing on buying and holding. Okay, buying and holding has down years where it's just not gonna work out. Like for example, this year right here, okay, we've been going down for 7 months straight, and you can't make a living doing that. Okay, how can you pay bills when the market is going down? So shout out to you guys that basically took the risk and bought this course, and now you see how you can actually make money off these swings. I told you guys, right now, since you have a 9 to 5, I want you guys to at least try to build monthly income. That's the name of the game. Build monthly cash flow. I told you guys, I don't care if it's from the markets. I don't care if it's from selling clothes off of eBay. I don't care where it's from. The name of the game is building monthly cash flow, because if you just depend on your job, I'm telling you, one day you might wake up, you come in your job, you come to your job, and they're going to tell you, I'm sorry, Bob or Jim or Tommy, we have to let you go. We things are, the economy is not too good right now, so we have to let some people go, and unfortunately we have to let you go today. Okay, I saw it so many times. I know one person working at a good job for 25 years. Boom, next thing you know, laid off. I know another person, 18 years. Boom, next thing you know, laid off. So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Don't depend on a job. Okay, making money is monthly cash flow is where it's at. So shout out to you guys that's making this money. Shout out to Glenn also for making his money. Okay, Glenn is one of my students, so shout out to him. Let me see if I see any more questions. Travis B said, "Gotta go, community members. Be sure to kind to haters. Be kind to haters and trolls before you kick them out." Yeah, kick these haters out real quick. Leslie says, "Don't go to the Lambo dealership yet." Okay, guys. Oh, man. Shout out to Leslie Savage. Shout out to 45. What's going on, 45? What's going on, buddy? Shout out to all my moderators. What's going on, businessman? What's going on, MK? Shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are new to my channel, if you want to listen to someone that's pretty much doing this every single day, definitely hit that subscribe button. Shout out to Silk Black. What's going on? Hey, Silk Black said, "Hey, Ben, there's no logic reason for Bitcoin to be up this much. It seems like a bull." Yes. So shout out to Silk Black. Okay. He's one of my students, and he brings up a good point. There's no reason why Bitcoin should just be popping up, boom, 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 going up like this. Okay, so there's a couple of things in my head right now. Okay, number one, we have this Bitcoin ETF coming up, so maybe they pushing this stuff, because if you notice that a lot of good news trying to come up, and you notice that CNBC is pumping this stuff too. Right, and it doesn't make sense because there's nothing out here telling us that Bitcoin is a buy right now. Okay, there's nothing telling us that Bitcoin is a buy right now. So I don't know. Most likely, if you look at this stuff, it's just like you can tell. Overall, it's just a regular pump. And overall, like I said, I'm still bearish. It's just what it is. I'm not a bear. I don't want to be a bear, but the market is bearish. We've been going down for 7 months now, and the way I look at markets is just don't reverse like that. Especially some obvious move, an inverse head and shoulder, and breaking out a channel. So overall, the market is not that easy. And unfortunately, people just have to learn. But like I said before, for me to turn bullish, we have to go over that 10,000 mark and blow past it and, make higher highs. So, yes, so Black, there's no reason why the market should be going this high, because there's a lot of stuff going on. There's nothing new in the world. There's nothing new in crypto world right now that should be bringing this market up. Let me know what's new in the crypto world that should be bringing this market up. Because rumors shouldn't be, rumors probably can bring this thing up, that but other than that, the rumors don't have nothing concrete. So once that goes away, guess what's going to happen? Okay, the market most likely is going to reverse, because the rumors can't hold up the market for a long time. So shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to Sit Black. That's definitely a good question. That's definitely a good question. I'm reading these comments, so if you have any comments, let me know. If you have any comments, let me know. TJ says CNBC pump fake. Yeah, man, that's what I think it is. Yeah, 45 said, I bet they came out today because BTC hit. Yeah, I know. They trying to rub in my face. But 45, they don't realize, 45, that my course is about going, both ways. You can make money whether the market goes up or down. But not only that, they don't realize that I'm not a bear. Okay, the market is just going down. They don't understand the difference between someone that hates cryptocurrencies and someone that's basically is a professional. Okay, they don't understand how professional guys really make their money. They don't understand how we actually make our money. I look at the major trend and I take advantage of the major trend. The major trend right now is down. It's been going down ever since January. So that's how I'm taking advantage of it. These pullbacks are going to happen, just like we have pullbacks in a bull market too. We have pullbacks too in a bull market too. So pullbacks are normal, and you can't do nothing about it. But as soon as the market goes back down, these guys do not even come on my live stream. Let me see. Exactly, Keith. Funny how, because the courses teach you how to make money both ways. Exactly, and you see it when people that bought the course, they come to me and say, "Hey Ben, I just made money from that BTC pump going long, right? Buying it, right? They see my students actually making money on the long side, but they still come on here and hate because they don't get it. They just so blind, and trying to figure out if I'm losing money or not. It's funny. James said, Ben, I finished your course. Learned to read the chart. Took advantage of the long from the short term and made 1,600. So shout to James, guys. This is James Vang, okay? James Vang, let me copy and paste this testimonial because I told you guys, bro, people don't understand that there's money to be made, okay? There's money right in front of your face, and most people just don't want to take it. There's money right in front of your face, and most people don't want to take it, okay? I'm not really active in BTC or the crypto swings right now because overall my direction is bearish. So I make money from the stock market, right? So I day trade. So when I'm banging out, my day trades, I don't suffer that much when the market goes down because I have money coming in. Okay, but my students are actually taking advantage of these longs. And shout out to James. Basically, he said that he made 1,600 going long. So let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Okay. And all y'all haters that came on this live stream earlier, I know a lot of you guys are just mad right now, seeing how my students is actually making money. I know you guys is mad right now because you think you are hoping that we are losing money. You just want to see people lose, not knowing that we are on the same team because we are dealing with the same market. We just look at the market differently because we understand we can take advantage of these short-term swings, right, to build up monthly cash flow. while you're sitting on the sidelines for 6, 7, 8 months, hoping that the market will go up. Okay, I'm just basically giving people another avenue, another way to make money while they wait. It's not all about waiting, guys. It's not all about I hope this happens. It's not about hope and wishing. Okay. So shout out to James Vang for making his money. This is what I like to hear. Let me see if I see any. But yes, guys, if you are, you know, in my opinion, you know, if you are making money from these swings, this is just me. If I was making money off these swings, it would be short term, guys. Right? It would be short term. I would book profits. I would take profits off the table. You know, don't think Bitcoin is going to 50K. Okay, it don't work like that. Okay, this market can't just go straight up in one line. Okay, it doesn't, and the market never goes straight in one line. Okay, so be prepared for a crazy pullback. Okay, and so like I said, for you guys that's long making money, I'm not going to tell you what to do because I can't give nobody financial advice. But if it was me, I would book profits. If you don't want to book all your profits, fine, you know. But I'll at least book some profits, take some money off the table, and pay myself. So shout out to everybody that's making money that bought this course. So shout out to you. Let me see. The Hayes said great buy for 110. Yes, shout out to Hayes, no problem. Thanks a lot, Hayes. Let me see. Ben, I'm allowed to buy and hold a beer for you? You definitely opened my eyes, bro. Shout out to Dom, man. Shout out to Dom. Yes, man, no problem. You know, I'm just trying to let people know, guys. You know, there's more to the market than buying and holding. Okay, I really want you guys to like really quit your jobs, guys. You know, I really want that because you don't understand. The feeling that I have right now, I can't explain it. Right? I can't explain how today I was done around 10:30, 10:45 from the market, and I was able to chill with my family. You know, my family came over from New York. I was able to chill with them, have a nice lunch, you know, see my mother, chill with them. I wouldn't be able to do that if I had a regular 9 to 5 or if I was just buying and holding, right? So you guys have to understand that there's money to be made and there's money right in front of your face. You just have to be able to be open-minded and realize, you know, there's money in front of your face and take advantage of it. So let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. I'm late on my questions, guys. I'm really late on the questions because there's a lot of people on the chat. So just bear with me. Sammy said TRX. I don't know, man. TRX is looking kind of sluggish from what I saw. I don't know. Let me see. And if you don't have this course right now, like I said, it's 50% off. When I get off, it's going to be it's going to actually go back to 210. So I'll just copy and paste that link to the chat room. TRX, let's zoom in out. Yeah, TRX has this resistance line right here, so we have to pass this resistance line on TRX. Let me see if I go to the next question. Um, 45 said, right, Keith. I was making money on my upswings on my demo account. I made 2K yesterday. He said, I wish it was my live account. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to you guys. That's making money. That's what's up. I like to hear that. Actually, let me hit that cha-ching. I'm reading these comments, guys, so give me a second. I'm reading these comments. What's going on, Randy? Businessman, what trade did you messed up on, businessman? Businessman, let me know what trade you messed up on. And don't think you messed up, businessman. Just learn from your mistakes. That's all. Just learn from your mistakes. We all gonna have losers, okay? People don't understand that professional traders have losers, okay? We lose all the time. When I day trade during the day, I lose all the time, okay? But my winners outdo my losers, okay? Or some days I just have maybe one loss and then have two losers, or I mean 2 wins or 3 wins, okay? So it doesn't matter if you lose. So let me see if I'm trying to I'm reading these charts, guys, so give me a second. What's going on, 911? 911 said, do you think it will start going back down anytime soon? I don't know when it's gonna go back down. Right now we have a pump, and usually a pump like this, they have a target, okay? So I have to wait to see what target do they have, okay? A pump like this usually mean they have a target, okay? So if it's busting, if it's going through the resistance line like this, that means it has a target. I have to wait until they hit the target. Okay, so I don't know what it's going to do next. I don't know if it's going to go down soon, but I have to wait until they hit their target. So, but I definitely want to see, you know, when sellers come in. Hey, what's going on, Mr. Sandy? What's going on? Craig said, when do you go with the bullish trend or go long? Craig, I told you you must came late, but I'm only a bull when the market hits 10,000 and basically stay above 10,000 and make higher highs. Okay. Me personally, I'm calm. If you notice that I don't get hyped like most people do when there's a bull market, because I understand how these guys work. They will hurt your feelings, okay? They hurt your feelings in the past before. So why? It's funny how why people. It's like, you know, it's like you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend that cheats on you all the time, right? And they claim they won't cheat on you, and you keep on finding out, you know, the guy cheat on you again. Why you keep on messing with a guy that's cheating on you, or a girl that's cheating on you? Most likely, that person is going to continue to cheat on you. Okay. So right now, Bitcoin in the past broke your heart plenty of times. So me personally, I won't. I refuse to be happy or get happy, just because it's doing a pullback. Let me see if I see any questions. If you are new to my channel, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for coming through. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll get to it. Hayes said Bitcoin is popping because government putting their worthly dollars. Hayes, Bitcoin is not popping because the government. Okay. Nobody knows why Bitcoin is popping. But at the same time, just be cautious. And I don't believe, you know, first of all, you know, you say crypto is the answer. What I would say to that is, first of all, crypto has its own problem. Okay, it has a lot of problems that's going on right now. A lot of scams, a lot of hacks. You can't trust a lot of these guys, especially the exchanges too. You can't trust these guys. So cryptocurrencies have a lot of growing up to do. So overall, I can't say crypto is the answer unless we can actually come together, because you have to understand that we are dealing with human beings at the end of the day, and a lot of human beings are just greedy, right? They don't care about you. They are willing to take your money. So that's why a lot of people want this market to be regulated. But if it was up to me, I wouldn't regulate the market. But a lot of people want that because that's the only way this would be safe. But right now, cryptocurrencies have a lot growing up to do, because it's just so much stuff is going on behind the scenes. Lance, just take a short. Go on your demo account, take a short, and you can calculate it. Okay, you calculate it by either cents or half a cent. Just calculate every time Tron moves, either a half a cent or whatever, and calculate how much per half a cent does Tron moves, and that's how how much you're gonna make. Dom said, I would be happy if Bitcoin could hit 9K. Businessman said, I quit my job last year and do this full time. So shout out to businessman. Shout out to businessman. That's what's up, man. And what crypto inspo at, man? I saw him comment the other day. Shout out to you, businessman. And like I said, this is what this channel is about, man. It's deeper than crypto. It's deeper than crypto. And your guys, some of you guys, not my main guys, but I'm talking about your trolls. They want to play around. Oh, you didn't set a proper stop loss. I hear you, businessman. All right, that's that's a situation you just have to learn from. Trust me, I made so many mistakes before, and once in a while I make mistakes here and there. Glenn said, working for yourself feels great. I have been doing it for 6 years. So shout out to Glenn, guys. Shout out to Glenn. He's working for himself. And guys, that's what you want to do. Okay. And this is why, I told you guys this is deeper than crypto, because trust me, I can't really explain the feeling that I have. You can't really explain it, but it's one of the best feelings in the world. Yeah, shout out to 45. He said every trader loses. Okay. But it's not about the losers, it's about the winners. Let your winners be larger than your losers, and you'll be okay. Dom said, I want Bitcoin to break that 8K 85 on his live stream. Let me see. Yeah, that 85 could be a number. We'll see though. I think we're gonna pull back this a little bit. We'll see though. I think we're gonna pull back just a little bit, I guess, before we go back up. I think we're gonna pull back maybe just a little bit before we go back up. So shout out to everybody that's here on this live stream. Thanks for coming through. If you have any questions, please let me know. Buddy says self-employed 10 years now. Shout out to you, Buddy. That's what I like to hear, guys. That's what I like to hear. Shout out to Buddy, man. This is what I'm talking about. Self-employed for 10 years now. That's what's up, man. That's what I like to hear. What's going on, Mr. XRP? Christopher K said, everyone listen to Ben. Okay, I bought the course and I no longer hodl. I made 3 moves in TRX this week and took profits. $400, $260, $100. Okay, so shout out to all my haters. Okay, let me see Christopher K that ching button. Shout out to all my haters, okay? I'm hoping that you are listening, okay? And I hope that you are reading this. Christopher K said, everyone listen to Ben. I bought the course and I no longer hodl. I made 3 moves in TRX this week, took profits, okay? Keywords, took profits, okay? Let me say that again. Took profits, $400, $260. $100. So shout out to Chris K. Let me copy and paste this testimonial because that's what I like to do. And let me hit that cha-ching button once again for him. Okay. Shout out to all my haters. I like to hear that, Chris. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot for getting the course. I appreciate it, and I'm glad that you actually are making money. And this is what I like to see, because most people that come across YouTube and come across cryptocurrencies, they only think that they actually can make money from hodling. Okay, even if you want to hodl, I tell you guys, even if you want to hodl, okay, you can still hodl and have another strategy working on the side. Okay, me personally, I don't I have a few, like my buy and hold is only just a little bit of what I do. Most of my money is coming from day trading and swing trading. That's it. My hodl is this is only a small percentage of what I do, because I can't sit for 7 months, a year, or 2 years and see my portfolio go down and not produce income from that. It's very hard for me to do that because I rely on this money. Okay, I can't rely on something that goes down or potentially could go down for 2 years straight. And I'm stuck. So shout out to you guys that's waking up and see that there's opportunity. You can actually make money right now. So shout out to Chris for making his money. Ching again. And Chris is actually talking about this course. If you just tuning in, he's talking about this course right now. Okay, the same course right now that's on live stream. Right now is at 50%. And if you don't have it, you can actually get it 50% off. The original price is $210. So I just copy and paste that link to you guys that don't have it. And like I said, when I get off a live stream, it's going right back to 210. So shout out to Chris K for making his money. I like to see that. I definitely like to see that. Let me see if I see any questions. Businessman, yes. Shout out to Businessman. Businessman. Oh, you from Germany? That's what's up, man. And Christopher K said that's part time and Big Ben we trust out. Shout out to Chris K. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. You know, you can do this part time. If you have, this is not about day trading. If you have a 9 to 5, you can still make money. He just told you. Okay? He's doing this part time. Let me see questions, guys. Let me see questions. Let me see. Shout out to the Hayes. I'm trying to see if I see any questions. Dom said all the trolls and haters need to be baptized by Big Ben. It's funny, I don't see no haters right now. Where's the haters, guys? I had at least 4 of my students told me that they either made money today, yesterday, or the weekend. So where's the haters? I don't see no haters right now. They came heavy in the beginning of the live stream. But where's the haters now? Because I know they listening. They mad right now. Let me see. Buddy said, I'm out. Okay, so shout out to you. Buddy has company showing up. So I understand that. Buddy. Buddy has company showing up. So he's out. See you later, buddy. Thanks a lot for coming through. Good night. Maybe take a sip of this last drop of soda. All right. Okay. So guys, so basically, we might pull back a little bit soon. But the pullback is probably not, it's probably going to be a little quick pullback. And we probably going to go up, and either we probably, like I said, it's, it's very hard to see or tell where the market wants to go now. Okay, we broke out of this triangle right now. Honestly, I don't think since we took a lot of energy to break out of this triangle, honestly, I don't see this thing going that far right now. Okay, I do see a small pullback, maybe back to the triangle somewhere, and we'll see how far that pullback is going to be. And we might just go up, one more time, and we'll see if we can actually hit the 9,000 or 8,900. We'll see. Okay. But right now, since we took so much energy to break this trend line, we might see a small pullback from this breakout of the channel. Okay. The small pullback doesn't mean anything. What I like to see, what I want to see actually, is sellers come back in the market. That's when that's going to tell me when the market is getting weak again. Okay, right now we don't have sellers in the market, and I'm trying to see what is the level that they want to hit, because usually when price runs up like this, especially when it comes out of like a downtrend like this, it usually means they're going for a target. Okay, so right now they're sniffing out. The market is sniffing out a specific target that they want to hit before they go reverse back down. And I'm trying to look for to see what target. Do I believe that we're going back to 10,000? Honestly, that's a stretch. Maybe 89, 9,000, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm not really trying to figure out what level right now, because right now is just wait and be patient. That's all it's right now. Okay. But since we broke out of this triangle right now, to me, the way it looks is like we're gonna pull back a little bit and either probably resume and probably make a new high, and then from there we have to see, you know, where they want to go, what level they want to test. Okay. But overall, like I said, guys, this market is still a bear market. I've been doing this for so long. Most people just can't understand that, but you know, and they think when I say the market is bearish, automatically they think I'm against cryptocurrencies or I'm a bear or, you know, whatever the case is, but I'm not. People don't understand that, bro. I bought cryptocurrencies last year too, just like you did. Okay. So, you know, but the difference between me and most of these guys is, since I understand what's going on, I've been doing this for a decade. When I bought my cryptocurrencies, I was taking profits, guys. I was taking profits. When the market was going up, I was taking my profits. So I told you guys that if the market goes to zero right now, I'm okay. I made my money already from the crypto market. So that's the difference between me and a lot of people, because a lot of people, they want the market to reverse because they went all in. And, you know, going all in, if you want to go all in, fine. That's your business. But that's not how I do things, because I want to do this full time. Okay. That's, you know, me personally, I hated my job. So I wanted to do something. I wanted to, you know, basically, I was looking for another opportunity, another vehicle that could allow me to either work from home or make money, so I can actually replace that and not go to my 9-to-5. Okay. And buy and hold is not a strategy that could allow me to work from home and live the life that I live right now, because we're going to have these swings like this. Okay. We're going to have markets where the market just pull back because it's tired, right? Right now, the market is tired. It's resting right now. We had this long up move, so it's tight, right? You know, it's just how the market works. We pulling back, it's going down, and me personally, I can't deal with that as a full-time trader and investor. I can't deal with that. I need to make consistent money week after week, month after month, and I can't do that from buying and holding. Okay, most people just can't get what I'm trying to say. They just can't get that. Okay, they just automatically they think I'm against them, and I'm not, because they're so brainwashed from society. But overall, guys, that's what I'm looking at. The altcoins right now, except for Ethereum, even Ethereum still looks weak. But you know, a lot of these altcoins looks weak. A lot of people say, you know, that's how it usually goes. The altcoins usually lags. I don't know, because the altcoin wasn't lagging. You know, this whole down move. So I don't know why it's lagging now. Even when we had the pullback back in February and these other ones, it wasn't lagging then, not that I know of. So why is lagging now? I don't know. You know, so you know the altcoins right now is laggy. You know, so we just have to wait and see. You know, it's just I understand a bear market. I understand that it just don't reverse that easily. It's not something that's very obvious to the point where everyone knows that this is the bottom, right? It seems like everyone knows that this is the bottom, right? And if you understand how these guys work, these guys really, they play, and they put like this, they know how you think, okay? So the way they make money, they have to take your money. So right now, people that's calling this the bottom, it's just too easy. Of course, you know, you're gonna have people come here and say, ha ha ha, I told you that this is the bottom, we're going to 50K. But you know, how can you say this is the bottom, and you know, we didn't even go back to the highs yet? Okay, You're talking about something that just pulled back. Even if Bitcoin goes to, even if Bitcoin goes to 12,000, that's bullish, but that thing could reverse right back down. Okay. A true bottom, honestly, guys, a true bottom means that we're gonna make a higher high. Okay. This is what most people don't understand. Most people don't understand what a bottom is. A bottom simply means that this thing is not reversing and we're going to make a new high. So until Bitcoin makes a new high, okay, until Bitcoin goes up to this high and boom, busts this high, then you could call this the bottom, okay? Until then, everything is just strictly, suspect right now. So I don't get hyped just because I see green bars. I've been through this so many times. I'm quite sure you've been through it so many times. Bitcoin broke your heart so many times, or these altcoins broke your heart so many times. So why wouldn't you be careful this time? Why are you getting so hyped and amped just because Bitcoin is going up? Okay. Like I said before, for me personally, I want to see Bitcoin hit 10K and hold those levels. Okay, and start making higher highs. So let me show you before I get out of here. Let me show you when we crash in 2013. Okay, so 2013 when we start crashing, we had this triple bottom. Okay, one bottom right here, two bottom right here, a third bottom right here. Okay. Notice the inverse head and shoulder. Okay, this is 2013 when we start crashing. Right now, this is 2014. Okay, we had the last pop that broke this low. Okay, we had that up move. We had the left shoulder right here, the right shoulder right here, and it broke this triangle we had. Okay, and if you notice right here, we had one swing right here. Okay, one major swing right here, second major swing right here. Okay, and if you notice that it went close to the major swing, it never actually broke it. Okay, it never went above it, but it went close to it. Okay, and then it pulled back, made a double top, and then it continued to go back down. Okay, and this was the last bear market we had. Okay, we continued to go back down. And making lower lows like crazy, crashing like crazy. Okay. So basically, people just don't understand how these bear markets work. You have to understand how this market is designed. This market is designed to take your money. People just don't really understand that. The market is designed to take your money because you have to understand how the rich really make their money. They make their money by taking your money. So if they keep on pushing this market up, they won't make money because they're using their money to push it up. So they have to sucker you in, have you buy the market so they can sell on you. Okay, so if you study history, if you are, when it comes to the charts, if you are addicted like I am, I'm addicted when it comes to these charts. You can just study past history and you can basically notice how these guys think. Okay. So right now, this is the phase that we are in right now. Okay. Inverse head and shoulders. This is back in 2013 when we had that last crash. Right. This is 2014 right here. Okay. Inverse head and shoulders popped up. Almost went to this last swing. And this would be right here. So this would be inverse head and shoulder, and it will go to this swing right here. So we might go to to this swing maybe around, let me see if I get this draw. We might go maybe around here somewhere. Okay. And then maybe make a double top. Okay. Or we might not even make it this high. I'm just giving you scenarios and showing you different things that could happen. Okay. And telling you guys to be careful and not get excited, because This is the same story that these guys play with you, right? They use the same story against you, and they know that most people don't study the charts anyway, so that's why they continue to do this stuff. So just be careful out here. If you think this is the high, we're going to the moon, we're going to 50K, just be careful, because these guys are very, very good when it comes to tricking you and making you believe one thing, and they are doing the opposite. So let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Thanks a lot for everybody for coming through. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. And let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. So Dom, you said, do you think Bitcoin will hit 10K double top like before and hit when it hit yeah, but I don't think it will actually go to 10K. I think it would probably I think we're actually going to pull back a little bit right here, okay? And we might not even reach to 10K, okay? There's nothing right now that's telling me that we could actually reach the 10K. I will have to see consolidation, because this big up move, it was really no consolidation, okay? I want to see healthy consolidation for the bulls. Right now, it's not healthy consolidation for the bulls. It's just up, a small pullback, up. So I want healthy consolidation, okay? And then honestly, this move right here is telling me that the market is getting weaker and weaker when it continues to act like this, because the market can't continue to go up in a straight line. You have to understand, the market never goes up in a straight line. Okay, the market has to pull back. The last time we saw the market goes up in a straight line, guess what happened? Okay, look, look left. We went up, almost like a straight line. We pulled back and we made a double top and we went right back down. Okay, if you look at this almost looked like a straight line, and then we pulled back. So we can't just keep on doing straight lines. Okay, guys, we have to have pullbacks. So when I see stuff like this is very concerning for the bulls, because I know that the market can't keep on going up like this, because it's going to get tight. Okay, it's going to get tight. Every time the market goes up, this picture someone running full speed. Just picture somebody running full speed. Eventually, those guys are going to get very, very tight, and they might pass out. So right now, when you look at Bitcoin, when it's running like this, it doesn't look good for the bulls, because that's not healthy. That's not a healthy run. So, if it continues to run like this, most likely we're going to see a crazy pullback. I definitely expect some type of double top, but we'll see. But anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Let me see. I see one more question. Let me see. Cal said, what's your opinion on BTC ETF? Do you think that's causing a run up? Yeah, that's a possibility, Cal. Yes, that's definitely a possibility. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Yes, that's definitely a possibility. So I definitely think that. But overall, they can, I don't know, when the ETF decision is going to come out. You said you think we hit at least 99. We'll see. But overall, guys, like I said before, honestly, guys, I'm a grown up. Okay, I'm a grown up, and what that simply means is I don't have time to play, guys. I don't have the time to play. Okay, so if I see somebody tricking me multiple times, okay, I'm going to say, okay, I see what this person is about. I see what this person is about. If this person is going to trick me this time, okay, I'll probably, let it go the first time. The second time, I'm probably not going to let it go, because if he's going to do it the second time, then most likely he will do it the third time, okay? So when I look at this chart, if it tricked you one time, 2 times, why not 3 times? Okay, so that's why I'm telling you guys, just be careful. Okay, I've been in this game so long to see this. You know, people that really don't have no experience get hyped, and next thing you know, boom, you know, the market reverse on them. So, you know, just be careful. That's all. So let me get out of here, guys. I gotta do some studying. But let me get out of here. Thanks for coming through, guys. Thanks for coming through. Appreciate it. If you don't have this course, again, if you don't have this course, definitely pick it up. When I get off a live stream, it's going right back up to 210. This is definitely a steal. So I just copy and paste that link, guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. Keith, Leslie Savage. Hit the likes too if you ain't hit the likes. Mr. Sandy, Dom. Who else? The Hayes. Everybody that's here, guys. I'm a little tired right now. Cal 45. Everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. Bambino. Everybody that's here. Businessman. Annette. Hey, Annette. I didn't see you, Annette. Thanks a lot for coming through. Shout out to Annette. I didn't even see you. But thanks a lot for coming through, guys. And you know, keep on continuing to make this money. Continue to make this money, and you know, that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna continue to make this money. Continue to make this money. So talk to you guys later, and make sure you have a good night. Make sure you study, and you know, that's the name of the game, study. So talk to you guys later, and have a good night.